Hello students. In the previous class we discussed about solving certain polynomial equations. In this class we shall discuss some more problems. Right. Let us look into the first question. Solve 18x cube plus 81x square plus 121x plus 60 is equal to 0. Given that 1 root is equal to half the sum of remaining roots. We'll discuss this problem. Now, what is the given equation? Given equation is 18x cube plus 81x square plus 121x plus 60 is equal to 0. So, how many roots does it have? Because the degree is 3, it has got 3 roots. Let us take the roots as, let alpha, beta, gamma be the roots. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus 81 by 18, that is equal to minus 9 by 2. Given 1 root is half the sum of remaining roots, sum of remaining roots, that is alpha is equal to half of beta plus gamma. 1 root is half the sum of remaining roots, so we can take like this. That means 2 alpha is equal to beta plus gamma. Let us call this as 1, let us call this as 2. Put 2 in 1, what do you get? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus 9 by 2. Beta plus gamma I can take it as 2 alpha is equal to minus 9 by 2. 3 alpha is equal to minus 9 by 2. Alpha is equal to minus 3 by 2. So, you got a root which is alpha, that is minus 3 by 2. Now, product of roots alpha, beta, gamma is equal to what? This is minus a1 by a0, a2 by a0, minus a3 by a0, that is minus 60 by 18. Now, what is alpha that we got? Minus 3 by 2 to beta gamma is equal to minus 60 by 18. Now, 6 tens are 6 threes are, beta gamma is equal to minus minus gets cancelled, you have 20 by 9, beta gamma is 20 by 9. Now, what is alpha plus beta? Beta plus gamma is equal to 2 alpha, that is 2 into minus 3 by 2, which is minus 3. You have beta gamma and beta plus gamma, we will find beta minus gamma. Beta minus gamma whole square is equal to beta plus gamma whole square minus 4 beta gamma. Now, beta minus gamma whole square is minus 3 square minus 4 into, what is beta gamma? 20 by 9, 20 by 9, right. Beta minus gamma whole square is 9 minus, what is this? 80 by 9. Beta minus gamma whole square is 81 minus 80 by 9. Beta minus gamma is equal to 1 by 9. Beta minus gamma is equal to 1 by 3. Now you have beta plus gamma and beta minus gamma. Add both. How to add both? Let us discuss. Beta plus gamma is equal to minus 3. Beta minus gamma is equal to 1 by 3. Add them. 2 beta is equal to minus 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 beta is equal to minus 9 plus 1 by 3. 2 beta is equal to minus 8 by 3. Beta is equal to minus 4 by 3. So you got beta value. Find out what is gamma. Beta plus gamma is equal to minus 3. Minus 4 by 3 plus gamma is equal to minus 3. Gamma is equal to 4 by 3 minus 3. Gamma is equal to 4 minus 9 by 3. Gamma is equal to minus 5 by 3. So therefore the roots are, what is alpha that we got? Minus 3 by 2, minus 4 by 3, minus 5 by 3. Therefore, I will write the statement here. Therefore, minus 4 by 3, alpha is minus 3 by 2, beta is minus 4 by 3, gamma is minus 5 by 3 are the roots of given equation. These are the roots. This is how you find the roots. We shall discuss the next problem. Solve 9x cube minus 15x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0, given that two of its roots are equal. So you are given a polynomial equation in which two of its roots are equal. Let us see how to do. What is given equation? Given equation is 9x cube minus 15x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the given equation. Let alpha, beta, gamma be the roots of 1. Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots. Given that two of its roots are equal, so let alpha is equal to beta. Now alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus of minus 15 by 9. Alpha plus beta is alpha plus gamma is equal to 15 by 9, which is 5 by 3. 2 alpha plus gamma is equal to 5 by 3. Gamma is equal to 5 by 3 minus 2 alpha. Call this as 1. Call this as 2. Next. What do you have next? Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to 7 by 9. 7 by 9. Beta is equal to alpha, so you get alpha square alpha gamma plus alpha gamma, that is equal to 7 by 9. Alpha square plus 2 alpha gamma is equal to 7 by 9. Alpha square plus 2 alpha, what is gamma? 5 by 3 minus 2 alpha. That 5 by 3 minus 2 alpha is equal to 7 by 9. Now, alpha square plus 10 alpha by 3 minus 2 alpha into 2 alpha, 4 alpha square is equal to 7 by 9. Take the LCM, 3 alpha square plus 10 alpha minus 12 alpha square by 3 is equal to 7 by 9. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So you have, take 3 up, 9 alpha square plus 30 alpha minus 3 12s are 36 alpha square is equal to 7. So that is nothing but minus 27 alpha square plus 30 alpha is equal to 7. Bring these terms here. 27 alpha square minus 30 alpha plus 7 is equal to 0. Now, what is alpha value? Minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, or 27 into 7 is 189. You can take 3, 6, 3, 3, 21, 21 and 9. You can take 21 and 9 as the factors, right? What do you get? 27 alpha square minus 9 alpha minus 21 alpha plus 7 is equal to 0. 9 alpha you take it common, 3 alpha minus 1 minus 7 common, 3 alpha minus 1 is equal to 0. 9 alpha minus 7 is equal to 0. 3 alpha minus 1 is equal to 0. Alpha is equal to 7 by 9. Here alpha is equal to 1 by 3. Alpha cannot be 7 by 9. 7 by 9 because you have alpha, beta, gamma. 7 by 9 into 7 by 9 into gamma value is, we have alpha, beta, gamma value as minus 1 by 9, that is 1 by 9. So alpha cannot be 7 by 9. So alpha is equal to 1 by 3. Find gamma. Gamma is equal to 5 by 3 minus 2 alpha. Gamma is equal to 5 by 3 minus 2 into alpha, that is 1 by 3. Gamma is equal to 3 by 3, which is 1. Therefore, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 are the roots of given equation. That's all for today's class, children. Shall continue in the next class.